I don't have any positive news as well either. Yeah, I mean, so, but you know, this is important. And the reason let's put the graphics up. So far, we've all kind of focused on what has been the hit to consumption, right? I mean, what has been, how severe is the hit across a host of sectors, but in the consumption basket. The data that I have looks at the infrastructure sector, and the way it does it is basically look at the orders which companies have received. Now, I got this data from CMI. CMI essentially, in turn, gets the data from the BSC filings. I mean, so companies, when they receive an order, have to tell the exchanges, and the CMI essentially puts all of that together. So they track this on a monthly basis. The data shows us this. Essentially, the total orders received, and this is industry-wide data, the total orders received in the month of December is down 37% compared to the monthly average run rate between April and November, till the last month. So 37% fall compared to the average till the last month, monthly run rate. If you look at December 2016, order received compared to November 2016 order received, that is a fall of about 27% or so. So the fall is a little less. The fact also remains that if you have to break up November a little bit, because the order and demonetization came, the announcement came on the 8th of November. Till the 8th of November, the orders received by the industry as a whole, according to BSE filings, as compiled by CMIE, stood at some 7,000 odd crores or so. I mean, if you essentially if order receipts had continued at that same rate, the order inflow in the month of November would not have been 20,000 crores as it is now, but it would have been close to about 30,000 crores or so. I mean, so November might look decent, but there is an impact nevertheless, because the rate of flow of orders fell quite sharply after the demonetization announcement actually was made. And I think the month of December has particularly been quite bad. The absolute quantum of orders is 14,500 crores in the month of December. In the month of November, that was 20,000 crores. The monthly average run rate from April to November, that is the financial year 17, except December, that was about what, 22,888 crores. So, I mean, I think the numbers are pretty stark, and as quarterly earnings start to come in from construction companies, EPC contractors, etc., you will start to see the impact, lower and lower orders. And I think there is no real great reason to expect that the month of January will be any vastly different. So, I mean, let's keep our fingers crossed on that one.
Yes, absolutely. We had the manufacturing PMI data, which came in contraction mode at around 49.6 this time round, giving you an indication that this was the first time we saw contraction in manufacturing PMI for the whole of 2016. So not really a good way to end 2016 in terms of manufacturing PMI, at least. But